If you like pulled back and you're like, holy crap. Yeah, that's right. Do you see how we're starting? Are you guys starting to see what I'm seeing just off this? But you guys see it, right? For everybody that's new, I can tell you that right now. All they saw was stuff. I can tell you right now. Anybody new rolling in this room that hasn't listened to me for longer than a day is just like this. Just looks like a bunch of stuff. I don't know. For those of you that have been here with me for a while, you know on every one of these key critical moves what they're going to do. Now, look, what should you be in?
Foot,
And where should your stop be?
just above.
Do you guys are you starting to understand now? Point blank, how to execute it, when to do it, how to manage your risks, and how it is done. And we do this every day.
Are we using the EMA or the MA? I see you're using the
MA,
MA today.
MA.
Okay, MA.
Yep,
Thank you, sir.
yep. On the cloud stuff that we use for our indicators, it's using the EMA.
Yeah, you were saying Apple was bouncing off the 200, but on my side it wasn't, but it's because I have the EMA. I was trying to figure it out.
Yep, that's correct. Yep.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, absolutely. More traders use the MA 200 than they do the EMA 200. Just like more traders use the EMA 2155 than they use the MA 2155.